Hey lovelies, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to design these three screens here in Figma. So without much talk, let's get straight to it. Alright, so here's my canvas and I already have everything I need ready. I have my shoes ready, my status bar, my nav bar, more shoes, my icons and my image ready. So now to get started, we have to bring out our phone frame. So you click on this section over here and you see all the frames will be displayed on the right panel. So let's click on iPhone 13 and 14 frame. That's what I'm working with today. So you click on, select it and come over here. Let's give it a border radius of 30 pixels. So 30 pixels is just fine. So now let's name it. I forgot to do that. Let's give it splash screen. Splash. So now our frame has a name, so let's give it a grid. Come here, this section over here, click on this section, click on column and give it 4 points, margin, no, not that, margin 16, got 20 is okay for gutter, 20 is just fine. So now let's grab our image, come over here, select your image and hold down the alt key and drag your image. Where is the frame? Okay, so you drag your image, place it inside your frame. So make sure it is centered horizontally and vertically and horizontally centered. So you click on this frame section again and drag a frame over your image. So now we have another frame on our image. Okay, and make sure your frame is inside the splash screen frame. Let's name it overlay. Okay, so now select your overlay frame, click on this section over and give it a gradient. Okay, so now let's see what it looks like without our grid. Close the grid. So this is what it looks like. Close it again. So let's drag another frame. Drag another frame top. Okay. So let's give it a color. Click here, give it this primary color. Then let's type get started inside. Get started. Now center it. Then give it a corner radius of 12. 12 is okay. So let's write a text over our image. Discover the best shoes. Shoes. 36 is fine. Okay, so move this one up a little. Let the height be 64 to be an even number. Okay, so I think our splash screen is ready. Okay, so now let's drag another frame out of this frame. So it will be, that one will be our home screen. It's good. Let's name it home screen. Home screen. So now let's take out the overlay, the image. It's time to grab our status bar. Come over here, select your status bar, hold down the alt key and drag it back to your frame. So place it somewhere around here. Make sure it's centered. Move it up a little. I think it's just fine this way. So now drag another frame, drag out another frame, set it to the width of 292 and the height of 50 is just fine. So now you select your, come to your fill over here, click on here and give it search gray. Yeah, let's see the color of our search box. Okay, it's fine. So let's give it a border radius of 12 pixels. 12 is fine. Then come over here to your shape tool, click on your ellipse shape and drag it out just like this. Make sure the height is 50. So both the height and the width just 50. So now we have our shape box and our ellipse. Okay, now it's okay. So let's grab our search icon by using this one. Hold down your alt key, grab it out. So I'm also using this filter icon. So select the both of them and drag them to your frame. Okay, so this one will be going here. Now it's centered. Select your icon, select your ellipse and right click, frame selection, frame them. Now bring this over here and let's type out our search. Search text here. Our search will be 14. 14 is okay. This one will be 16. Let's give it 16. Now it's looking thick, so let's select it this way. Select the main icon, not the frame though. Come here, click, type 1.3. So it's not as it was before. So now let's give it a color. Let's give it 8 gray color. So give this one the same color. 8. Okay, now let's frame the both of them. Select auto layouts. Now center 15. Let's make it 16. Okay, now so we're done with our search box, and now let's move to the next phase. Drag out another frame. Drag out another frame. Make it 358 on 130. That 138. Okay, that's fine. So now let's click here. I've given it a color, right? Give it this color over here. Let's give it this one. Want something light, really light. So let's check color. I'm sure it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. We give it the border radius of 12 pixels. So now we have what we want. So now let's type. Okay, let's grab I think we should grab our shoe first. We're using this shoe. We're going with the shoe. Hold down your alt key. Then name of our shoes. Puma. So let's grab this one also. So select both of them. And grab them. Drag both of them to your frame. So here we have our shoe. Let's bring the text out here. Place it here. Okay, it's that two is just fine. And let's drag a circle. Bring it here. Okay, so let's give it a color. Which color should we give it? Let me check. Let's give it this color. Okay. Click on this color picker. Let's come over here. I think we're working with this color. Color is just fine. This is what it looks like. It's okay. So turn on your grid again. So let's write a smaller text underneath this one. Get 10% discount. Off every sale. Every sale. Let's change the text to body text. This is fine. Now let's grab another frame. Drag it out. Make it 90. We give it a width of 90 pixels. Height of 36 pixels. Okay, now give it, let's see, black, color black. Then color radius of 12 pixels. Let's see what we're doing. No, I want it to be more rounded than this. Let's give it 30. Let's give it 20 be okay. Okay, 20 is fine. Bring it down a little. So let's, what should be here? Shop now is okay. Shop now. Let's use 12. So I think 12 is fine. Yeah, that'll be okay. Move this one up a little. Okay. No, this one is okay. So now let's move our image on top of this and come over here. Let's give it let's give 40. Yeah, I think 40 is fine. No. It should be inside our card. Let's name it notice card. Notice card. So this one should be inside our notice card. Okay, so now we can. Okay. So let's make this circle bigger so it's visible behind. Not visible. Okay, so let's make the color okay. I think it's okay like this. It's better this way. Now on to the next. This is centered. Now let's grab another frame. Let's use this one. Let's use this one. Come over here. So let's change this text. Let's change this color to our primary color. Change this text to Nike. Now let's grab our icons. Let's grab Nike icon, Adidas icon. Hold down your shift key. Then grab your Puma icon, Jordan icon. So I select all the icons and drag them to your frame. So now we have our icons here. So you bring this one here and select the both of them. Auto layouts, click on auto layouts, then center, make sure they are centered. Let's change the color of this Nike icon to color white now. Okay, so this is good. This is super cool. So grab this icon again, and grab this frame again. Let's change this one to this text to Adidas. Hope the spelling is correct, and copy this one, then paste to replace. Change the color to color white. Okay, since this one it will be inactive, so let's change the color, the background color to light gray. I'm supposed to change the stroke, not the fill. So close this, change the fill, leave it light gray. Then your text also will be light gray, not such gray, please. Light gray. This one also be light gray. So let's do the same thing for these other ones. Let's change our text to Puma. Copy, place to replace, change the text, change the color to light gray, and this one here, let's change this one to Jordan. Copy, place to replace, and change the color. Please give the same color we gave the rest. So now let's make sure that they have equal spacing. So now we are good to go. Here. So let's move this up a little. I don't like the fact that this circle underneath this one is too bright. Let me see. Change it to BF CA C7 and come over here. Give it 30. So I think this is C7. Yeah. So let's go back to using our grid. Now let's grab our nav bar. Very important. Now hold down your alt key. Hold down your alt key again and drag it out just like this and place it inside your frame. Make sure it's well placed in your frame. Okay, so good. Now let's grab another frame. Make it okay, 72 332. Okay, just give it the color white, and so let's give it an effect. 4, let's give 4. This one should be 5, and this one should be 40. And let's give it a color radius of 12. Okay, so now let's grab this frame, this circle underneath the shoe here. Drag it here. Let's give the size, the height and the width of 128. Okay, move it up this way. Let's close the grid. See what we are doing. Okay, I didn't finish this one. Click on this plus icon again to bring out another drop shadow. So this time make it -4. Make this one also -4. Make this one 5, and this one should be. This is fine now. So this is perfect. Okay. So we're done. Let's now grid again. Let's grab our shoe. Grab this one and this. This Nike text over here. Men's shoe. So this one, grab and drag them to your frame. So bring this one here, bring this here, bring this one over here. Bring this one over here. Now let's drag our love icon. What I've dragged that earlier. Grab it. Take it to our frame. So bring it here. And okay. So now let's write out the name of our shoe. Did I say the name? The price of our shoe. Our sneakers. 220. Should be 10. Medium. No. Okay, this will be, let's make this one, let's name this railway way. So let's give this one small text. Let's name it small text. Okay, this one body text. Let's name this one railway. So this one will be like let's name some body text too. Body text. Okay, let's make this one smaller. Let's make this one, let's reduce the size to 14. Okay, let's select the both of them, add them to layouts. Let the spacing between them be 28. Okay. So let's make this one. Let's change the color to gray. Let's make it okay. It's okay. I'll go down a little. So now let's come here. Make this one 40. Let's move this up and move this up. Okay. I think this card is too long. Let's make it 322. It's okay this way. Okay. Let's move this one down a little. Okay. Eight. Center. 15, 16. That's supposed to be 15, 16. This is 6. Okay, so 1. Fifteen. Okay. So let's move this one down a little. Okay, I think it's okay this way. Now this show is new, so let's grab another frame, place it here. No, this time around we're not using a frame, we're using a rectangle. Click here, drag your rectangle, let's make this one 22. Make the height 54. So now double tap on it, then hold the dot in the middle and drag it like this. So now the frame is inside our rectangle, right? In our frame, the rectangle is inside our frame. And let's give it this color, our primary color. Now let's write the text. It says new. So you come here, bring it text. Okay, what the text? Okay. So now you bring it here. 90. Okay. So now we have. Let's change the color to color white. Okay, so now we're done with this first frame. Let's get the other frame. Let's drag this one, drag it, bring it here. Okay, so delete this one. Let's drag our other sneakers, other shoe. So grab it over here. Okay, place it here like this. Sit it on top of the circle. Then come over here, type 40. So this is it. Let's see what we did. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, so this is it. And now it's time to change the name. This one is Nike Air Max 270. Nike Air Max 270. Women shoe. $15. Let's look the price. Right, so we're done with this other screen. Let's this one down a little. Move this down a little. Okay, now we're done with screen 2. Let's create screen 3. Okay, let's name this one description description screen. So let's start taking the unwanted frames and text away. Start deleting them. Don't need this anymore. Don't need this anymore. Don't need this. Not them anymore. This one. Okay, now so let's grab another frame. Oh, our layout grid is missing. Another frame. Set it to 390. 360. So now let's bring this one. Let's bring it here. Set it to first of all, let's ungroup. Take this out. Make this one that too. Center it. Let's grab the back arrow. Back arrow. So I bring it over here. Okay. Add, select the Nike text, then auto layouts. We have this one here. So let's give this one a color. Let's use this. I didn't name these cards. This one will be card 1. Card 1. Let this one be card 2. So this shoe should be inside our card 1. This one. Okay, this is it. Drag the shoe inside here. Then this one should be inside card 2. So now our shoes are inside their individual frames. So now I want to grab this ellipse here. I want to grab it out so I can get the color. So I can pick the color for this frame over here. So now let's give this frame over here a color. Use your color picker tool and click on this one. Now we have the color we need. Colors. Give it this color. Description color. So now let's grab this one. Grab it here. Then this woman shoe over here. We'll bring it here. moment. This one over here should be men's shoe. Okay. Men's shoe. So let's bring this one over here. Go to the image. Centered. Make it centered. Okay, take this one. Put the text. Now let's grab this one. Bring it over here. Change it to sizes. So that's that. Now let's drag out our ellipse shape. Make it 46. Okay, it's already 46. Then add stroke. Close the fill. The stroke should be your primary color. Then let's type 37. Center it. Select your text, your number, select your ellipse and frame them. This one is 30. Let's change color of this text to our background color. So let's change this one to gray. Here. We don't need this here. Let's take it out. Description. Change this one to description. So now let's start typing. This way. So let's grab this button over here, bring it here. This time it will be, let's change the text to add to cart. So let's grab, we've typed our add to cart, so let's grab our cart icon. You click, okay, this is it over here, drag it out. Okay, so bring it over here. Now let's change this black color to white. So now so select both of them and add auto layout. This one will be 16, 20. So center, let's see. Let's see what we've done. And this one, and this one also. What is spacing? Spacing should be, let's use spacing of 8. It should also be 8. This one and this one should be 6. So this is the final look. We're done. Oh, I forgot to change the color. I forgot to change this ellipse here, background color. So choose the primary color. What's that? Okay, so let's use primary color and let's make this one white. So if we're not missing anything out, I'll say we are done. So this is the end of our video. I think this this gradient color is bleeding into our button color. So let's change the gradient color. Let's adjust it. This one over here. This is something darker. I think it's okay this way. So this is the end of the video. We've been able to design our splash screen, our home screen, and our description screen. So I hope you learned one or two from this video. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always. And also don't forget to like. So see you in my next video. Do have a lovely week ahead. Bye.